a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, keyless entry, remote vehicle start, power steering, cruise control, power locks, power brakes, power windows, interval wipers, satellite radio, power mirrors, alarm, power seats, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass, heated outside mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.